Good morning, we're here today at Capel in Western Australia and we're going to fly the world's first electric ducted fan microlight. The team have worked hard for 2 years to develop all the technology from scratch. Ducted fans, battery packs, electronic management system, software, everything. We've done tons and tons of ground testing and today is the big moment. Made by Airborne Australia and Electro.Aero in Perth. World's first flight of an electric ducted fan microlight and it went perfectly. Smooth, controllable, tons of power and very quiet. We got full power consistently, we took off in the estimated distance, the climb out performance was great. We're cruising at 40 knots as expected with this low speed wing. Certainly met all our expectations today. Good safe flight and credit to the team.